regular pink, Amy.
I would have eaten it too. Oh my god, is it like steaming?
So creepy. What's this?
Oh my god, no!
That's dry.
Oh my god, this looks like blow up. I'm gonna go here. Just in case. I don't trust you with that, Lisa.
That was white.
Great. There's a little gray patch. Lisa, I'm getting a mighty fine close-up of your legs. Oh, baby. I'm sorry. I just can't help myself.
That kid who made the first video that I sent you,